HVACR is a certified value-add reseller for ebm-papst, but what does that mean for you? It means HVACR's dedicated team of mechanical and electrical engineers and technicians has been trained and qualified by ebm-papst to modify their products and create assemblies that meet their rigorous standards for workmanship, testing, quality, and packaging. Combining our 30 years of thermal expertise with our expansive inventory of ebm-papst's industry-leading fans and blowers, we can create a custom air movement solution optimized to your specific application requirements. HVACR can customize the lead length and connector for a fan, build fan tray assemblies with proper wire harnessing and routing, add or modify the fan selection with a heat exchanger or thermoelectric assembly, or combine a heat sink and fan into a single functioning fan sink assembly unit. We handle the design, component sourcing, quick turn prototyping, manufacturing, and testing, providing you with a custom solution that is backed by both the ebm-papst factory warranty and HVACR's workmanship warranty. All HVACR VAR work is done in the USA at our dedicated Value Add Center in Lewisville, Texas. HVACR operates under an ISO 9001-2015 certified quality management system and is safety certified by UL. Final assemblies comply with UL and other regulatory safety standards and are given a certificate of compliance. All assemblies are also fully traceable to the supplier via serial numbers on the components. To learn more about ebm-papst certified VAR solutions, visit HVACR.com.